Hi, Laurel Hill. Thanks for joining me. So today's music lesson is about creating your own rhythm in Chrome Music Lab. And this lesson is lesson number 1, and we're going to explore steady beat and meter. So thanks for being here. So what is a steady beat? Just to review, the steady beat is the part of the music that many of us can feel in our bodies as we listen. When people are dancing, they're very often moving to the steady beat. And most music that we listen to has a steady beat. Our school song has a steady beat. We are lions, hear us roar, and watch us take the lead. We pounce on opportunity, and that's how we succeed. So now let's look at what is meter. Meter is how the musicians can organize or group the steady beats in music. The steady beats in music can be grouped in repeating patterns of strong and weak beats. We call these patterns of strong and weak beats meter, and here are a few examples. So this first example, our beats are grouped in groups of 3s, with 1 being the strong. Beat 1 is strong, beat 2 is weak, and beat 3 is weak. If we had to move to that, we might move like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The song The Austrian, you might know, moves in 3. All an Austrian went yodeling up a mountain so steep, and along came a rolling rock, and he started to weep. The next example on our page is groups of 4s. And in this one, beat 1 is still the strong beat, but now there's 3 weak beats after it in this pattern. So it's strong, weak, weak, weak. You might move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our school song moves in 4. We are lions, hear us roar, and watch us take the lead. We pounce on opportunity, and that's how we succeed. Those are 2 very common meters, but you really can have many different kinds of patterns. The last example is a pattern of 5, with 1 again being the strongest, and then there's 4 weak beats after that. So you would count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you wanted to move to music that moves in a 5 meter, you might do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's a little bit about meter. Let's go on to the next page. Here we have what is our time signature. Musicians will tell you the meter with a fraction-like symbol that we call a time signature. It's this fraction right here on the page. So the top number is 3, and that tells you your beats are going to move in a pattern of strong, weak, weak, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That was the stick game that moves in 3. Here's the time signature that tells you, the second one tells you the beats are going to move in 4. You see the number 4 on the top? 1, 2, 3. Move with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, you see the 5 at the top, and that tells you your beats are going to move in that pattern of 5. Move with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's meter. Let's look at the next page. Now, when you see musicians use these time signatures, the quarter note, this is what a quarter note looks like, equals 1 beat. So that's that 4 at the bottom of our time signature. That tells you that the quarter note is going to get the beat. Okay, let's move to our different meters one more time before we go over to Chrome Rhythm. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's move to our 4/4 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, let's move to the meter moving in 5, patterns of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what meter is. It's patterns of strong and weak beats, and musicians will write a time signature on their music to show you what the meter is. So now that we understand a little bit more about the steady beat and meter, let's take a look at how you can play with these ideas in Chrome Music Lab. Hi friends, so we've gone over to Chrome Music Lab and the rhythm page, and I'll leave the link to that in the Google Classroom so you can access it quickly. But they have shown you where the beat is with these gray lines here. So if I just click on this, on the beat, we can see that there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 beats in this pattern. So musicians would say this is in 3 meter, right? This is a meter of 3. So let's listen to the 3 steady beats. Now you've got 3 different sounds here. You can place them anywhere you like, and make your own patterns. Okay, so here's a pattern I just made. Maybe that's a little busy. All right, I like that one better. So this is how you can click on the dots and make your own rhythm. Just create your own, just create something that sounds pleasing to you. But I wanted to point out that this is in the groups of 3. Right now, if I click on this arrow and turn the page, I've got more lines. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 steady beats. So this is in meter of 4. How we were going 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And then you can. This also has a couple different sounds. So you can click anywhere you like and make a pattern and listen to it. Something you like. Okay, let's just go to the 2 more here. So let's count how many beats they have in this pattern. Strong beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our 1 and 5. All right, I'm just gonna make it all on the beat just because I want to, except for this one. Okay, I like that one. So I'm gonna go on. Okay, now here's this last one. Oh, you know what? Let's make this cowbell play on the beat, and we'll count how many. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's in 6. These beats are groups of 6. Okay, so you can click on the beat, click off the beat, click wherever you'd like to make your pattern. You can change it up. Let's see what that sounds like. They're working hard. Okay, awesome. So now here's one more option before you go. Let's say that you made a rhythm that you really like. Okay, let's just say you liked this rhythm. Okay. What you can do is I've left a worksheet you can play around with in the Google Classroom, in the General Music Google Classroom. This is what it'll look like. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. And you can share with us what you made. This is just one way to share with us what you made. So if I'm over here, I got orange, yellow, yellow, triangle. And then I go to my worksheet and I go orange, no, that's not it. That's, okay, so it's this one. This is going there. Orange, yellow, yellow, triangle. And that's just one way for you to share with us. It's pretty easy. You can just drag the shapes over and share with us the rhythm you created. So this is your first time using Chrome Rhythm. Go ahead and do that. If you already know how to drag the symbols over, you can, but you don't have to. So if you already know what rhythm symbols, you can drag them over. All right, have fun playing in Chrome Rhythm. We'd love to see what you create. Thank you.